Right. So this is the short walls are 2 and the length is we found that is the 3.5 meters, and the width of the breadth of the excavation is 0.8 and the depth of the excavation is 0.8. We found that, right, by seeing from ground level to bottom of the excavation, that is the 40 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 20. So the total is 80 centimeters. This is the entire depth of the excavation. So 80 centimeters convert into the meters, it will becomes to 0.8. So multiply these 4 will get the quantity of short wall excavation, and multiply these 4 will get the quantity for the excavation in the long wall. So after that, by adding these two, we will get the total quantity of the excavation. So it is a 3-dimensional. 3-dimensional means it is having the length, breadth and depth. So it is a 3-dimensional means, that's why it is a cubic meters. The unit are cubic meters or meter cube, right? So the next step is we need to find out the lime concrete in foundation. So second one is the lime concrete in foundation. So just observe this diagram. So this dotted block is the lime concrete in foundation. So I said that after the completion of excavation, if we observe from the top view, we will see like this, right? So we will see this structure from top view, we can observe like this. So same in the same width, we are going to construct the lime concrete in. So the height of meters. So if you calculated the of the lime concrete foundation in the long wall, so this is the same calculation we will get. For the short wall also same calculation we will get. Why? Because the length of the excavation and the length of the lime concrete is same. So that's why we will get same these values in the lime concrete. So we don't want to do once again, that's why I already explaining this one. So now, so we will consider this total length of the lime concrete in the long wall, and this is the total length of the lime concrete in short wall. So this is, we are taking these values only. So before that, we write how many long walls and how many short walls in the lime concrete. So long walls in the lime concrete is same. There are 2 long walls, and short walls same. Short walls also 2. So now already we found that, right? So this is the lime concrete in foundation on the long wall. So we will take same 6.10 meter, and next one is a 3.50 meter. So this dotted block is the lime concrete in excavation in foundation. So what is the width of this one? 80 centimeters. So convert into the meters, that is the 0.8 meters, 0.8 meters. So now we will consider only this height, only we will consider this lime concrete height. So in the diagram he mentioned that 20 centimeters. So convert into the meters, that is becomes to 0.2, 0.2. So by multiplying these 4, we will get the lime concrete in long wall quantity, and by multiplying these 4, we will get the quantity of the lime concrete in the short wall. So we will do the calculations. So that is 2 into 6.10 into 0.8 into 0.2. So that is 1.95 meters, 1.95. So it's cubic meters. After that we will add. So same, by multiplying these 4, we will get this quantity. So that is 2 into 3.5 into 0.8 into 0.2. So that is 1.12. 1.12. So by adding these 2, we will get the total quantity of the lime concrete in foundation. So that is 3.07. 3.07. So the next is units. How we will find the units? So it is three dimensional. Length is there, breadth is there, and height is there. So it is three dimensional. That's why the units are cubic meters. Cubic meters, right? So this is the quantity for the lime concrete. So entire this structure. So after the completion of the lime concrete in foundation, if we observe from the top view, we can observe like this, right? If you observe from the top view, we can observe like this. So this dotted mentioned that is the lime concrete, right? Like that we will observe. So after that, we need to find out the brickwork in foundation. So see, brickwork in foundation. Foundation means below the ground level, substructure. We will call it as a substructure. So this is the total below the ground level is called as the substructure. So up to now we calculated the earthwork excavation in foundation and lime concrete in foundation. After that, so below the ground level of brickwork means this 70 centimeter is the first footing, 60 centimeter is the second footing, and 40 centimeter is the plinth, right? So these three are the below the ground level. So this is the brickwork in below the ground level. So now we are going to find out this quantity for the entire structure, okay?